Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Thangadurai, the co-founder and the clinical co-head of Wellfinity.in. The 12-dimensional approach to reverse diabetes in a holistic way are as follows. Number one and the foremost important one is the food and nutrition. That is what is most neglected in conventional science. We have to move away from this ultra-processed foods, or otherwise called the high insulin diet, to minimally processed foods, that is what we call the low insulin diet. Number two, we have to live in communion with nature. We have to revisit the elements of nature. We are a part of nature. We are not separate from it. We should not wage a war against nature. Number three, detox. Just because we are exposed to more and more chemicals and toxins in the environment, we need a very good detox that is included in our protocol. And fourth, we have to protect ourselves from electromagnetic field radiation, wondering why we are moving from 4G to 5G. Thus, mitochondrial augmentation. As you all know that mitochondria is nothing but the powerhouse of the cell. When you are keeping the battery of the cell well, you will not fall sick from these metabolic disorders. So, it is very important to preserve your mitochondrial health. Number six, microbiome balancing and microbiome support. Microbiome is your friend that helps in almost all the processes in the body, particularly with respect to the metabolism and also the neurotransmitter production that happens essentially in the gut. Number seven, mineral balancing. Micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, along with antioxidants and polyphenols, actually functions as coenzymes and cofactors that modulates this metabolism. Whenever we are having a micronutrient deficiency, which is almost seen in all the ultra-processed foods, our metabolism slows down. So we need to balance this micronutrient deficiency. Number eight, movements. Movements doesn't need it to be an exercise. Movements are natural for all human beings and all living beings. But in the last 40 to 50 years, we are actually adapting sedentarism, and that is killing us. Movements actually have multiple benefits. The one important thing is it actually optimizes the lymphatic circulation. Mental well-being. As we all know, there is an entity called mind-body medicine. Your mind affects your body functions, and in the same way, your body actually affects your mind. So you have to preserve your mind to protect your health. Number 10, optimizing the organ functions. Our body functions in a coordinated manner. So in order to preserve our health and reverse all these chronic disorders, we need to optimize each and every system. And we do advocate supplementation when there is severe or moderate deficiency of minerals or vitamins for a shorter period. And we don't recommend routine supplementation lifelong. Number 12. The most important thing is you need to follow a daily healthy routine and make it a habit to preserve your health, the heart of Wellfinity. Thank you.